Hello, I am Crazy Russian Boy. This here is my good comrade Chromy. And today we will be fixing our Xbox 360. So now most people might be thinking, Crazy Russian Boy, these Xbox do not work for Red Ring of Death. No. You see, the Xbox do not work for it is also a Chromy. So we should now conduct a certain amount of tests to see if we can revitalize Xbox. Let us go. Welcome to Testing Bench. We shall now conduct our experiments on Testing Bench. Now, my friend Chromy will conduct the first test. At Xbox. Oh wow.
Damn,
It's not even a scratch.
Damn, this thing.
Alright, now I shall take swing. Welcome to Testing Bench. We shall now. Okay, so as you can see, some more damage was done. Now it is time for our next test. Our next test will be Saw. Go ahead, Chromy. Chromy, you can, no, Chromy, stop pointing at that! Chromy, stop! Now it is time for third and best test. We shall, the best durability test, as my good friend Chromy will show you, and we shall also record 200 FPS slow motion for you.
Sure, like right there?
Yeah, no, here.
I can't see.
Here's too far.
Wait, where?
There.
Just in that black spot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, as you can see, Chromy is on roof, ready to throw Xbox. And we have slow motion camera ready for viewing pleasure.
That me one ready.
Okay, Chromy, you can go whenever you want. Wait, no, let me get to cover first. It's called do boo-boos. You can go, Chromy. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, so as you can see here, great hardware failure. No, Chromy, stop. Okay, Chromy. It appears we have lost front of Xbox.
It appears I have found something I am not aware of. I will not throw.
I also do not know what this is of.
Oh, this is the top. It's it's like the case for it.
Oh, okay.
Here, let me see it. I will keep this as relic.
Chromy, you want to go do second throw?
Yeah.
Good boy.
Okay, it is fixed after quick repairs. We have pretty much got this pretty good. We have repaired our Xbox 360 after three-story fall. Three-story.
It's two-story fall, Chromy.
I don't care. I never took math class in college.
It's not college class.
Shut up.
You'll never even go to college.
Neither are you. You're going to live in a van with this discarded Xbox 360.
They're not supposed to know that.
Say like test 2.
Test 2. Chromy is back on top of the roof after quick repairs. So we shall throw Xbox down and see what happens. Go, Chromy, go! Yes, now! Chromy, you missed the rock! Now it is time to assess damages. Chromy, stop throwing. Okay, so here you can see. No, Chromy, no. Bad. Bad Chromy. Chromy, no! Chromy! Okay, so as you can see here, we have main impact crater with the Xbox. As you can see, Chromy, stop. You look inside here, is main computer. It's very shiny. Chromy, I swear to God, if you throw that, I will murder you.
Just try.
You missed.
Dumbass.
Here is I don't know. Oh no. Y'all gonna get merch.
Yeah.
You didn't do it.
All right, yo. Okay, it's $5 a piece. Nah, bro. You guys can keep it. Y'all get. Oh, here's the Xbox 360 bit. This is the best bit. Y'all want the part that says Xbox?
I also want your camera.
No. All right. First come, first served.